Alright guys, these are what the speaker covers are looking like. I applied 3 coats of the adhesion promoter on them, and I also applied 3 coats of the flat black vinyl and fabric paint. And they're looking pretty good, man. These things here were looking beat up. But today, we gave some life to them, and they are pretty decent. So, next I'll be working on the rest of the interior of the truck, the dashboard, and I will be painting some of the trimming to match this updated black. Currently, my truck is gray, but we're going all black. I ordered a dash skin to cover my dashboard because it's severely cracked, and we will be installing that in the next video, hopefully, and doing some more painting. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you guys next time.
What's up guys? We're having a video today. Yeah, with Mr. Corey, and he's on the video camera. And today we're gonna be showing you things. Well, we already painted them for the next video, and we're gonna put them on our truck. So don't forget to subscribe, like to this video, and click the notification, and don't forget to subscribe. And we want 1,089 subscribers.
Later.
Yes. Yeah.